This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, you're just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. It's raining in our house. Come and see. Rainy house. Quickly, Topsy! I'm coming as fast as I can. Here comes another drip, Tim. Quick, put the ball under it. We've got a hole in our roof, and the rain is dripping through our bedroom ceiling onto our bunk bed. Got you.
Well done, Tim. OK, leave the bowl up there and come down with me. Ready? Come on, Tim. 1, 2, 3. Way! There we go. You too, Topsy. Lovely. 1, 2,
3, way!
Thank you. Now, can you two please help me take off these pillowcases?
Okay. Why is there a hole in our roof, Mummy?
Well, Dad thinks the tile's come loose, so he's coming home to fix it.
I'll help him.
Oh, he'd like that.
Where am I going to sleep tonight, Mummy?
Up here on the top bunk as usual, Topsy. Dad will fix the roof and I will wash and dry your sheets. Oh, and Little Moon Bunny, of course.
Little Moon Bunny. Little Moon Bunny's my favourite cuddly toy of all. And now he's all wet. Will you help me dry Little Moon Bunny, please, Mummy?
No, Topsy. I think we need to wash Little Moon Bunny.
Why?
Well, water that comes through the roof can be dirty. Please, will you help me put him in the washing machine?
Yes, you can have a nice ride.
Come on. After you. Good girl.
So Little Moon Bunny's having his wash. Hello, Little Moon Bunny. When the doorbell rings.
Oh, Topsy, should we get the door?
I'm staying here with Little Moon Bunny. Hello, Joy. Is it Dad at the door?
Come on in. No, Tim, it's Kerry. Come on.
Hello, Tim. Kerry's our best friend. She lives 3 houses away. Her mummy's dropping her off for a play date. Yay, Kerry! Come on up and see the raindrops coming in. Bye, lovely. Bye. Where are you, Tim? I'm up here on the top bunk. Hi, Tim. Hi, Kerry. Wow, is that rain coming through your ceiling? Yeah, I'm catching the raindrops so Topsy's bunk bed doesn't get any wetter. Here comes another one. I'm ready for it. Got you. Where's Topsy? She's downstairs. Little Moon Bunny is in the washing machine. He got rained on and now he's wet. Okay, then I'll go and see her. Okay. Hi, Topsy. Hi, Kerry. Is this a Moon Bunny okay? Yes, I hope so. Mummy! The washing machine's finished. Please, can you get Little Moon Bunny out?
Yes, of course.
Quickly.
Oh, poor soggy Little Moon Bunny.
He looks all funny. He smells nice and clean, Topsy, though. Yes, he really does. Come on, Kerry. Let's put Little Moon Bunny on the windowsill to dry. Okay. Let's put him here, Kerry. Okay. It's Dad. He's here.
Hello, gang! Oh. What a lot of rain! Hello. Mwah. Where's this leak then?
Hi, Dad. Come upstairs and I'll show you.
Come in, Tim! Oh.
Look, rainwater is dripping into this bowl. I put it there myself.
Ah, well done, Tim. Now, let's have a look out here.
Can you see it, Dad? Can you see the hole in our roof?
I can't see anything.
Why?
Because I need to go high up to the roof from outside. We need a long ladder.
But we haven't got a long ladder.
No, but we know a man who does.
Dad phones Kerry's dad, Carson. Carson is a fireman. He works at Hatcham Fire Station. Look, it's Carson and his long ladder. It's a really long ladder. Hi, Daddy.
Hey, Kerry. The rain stopped at last, everybody.
Yay! Carson,
Yeah.
we've got a hole in our roof and water's dripping through it. Little Moon Bunny got rained on in our bedroom.
It's just as well I came round to help.
Yeah! Carson's long ladder reaches right up to the roof of our house. And now it's raining again.
Hello in there.
Hello, Dad.
Keep an eye on those drips, Tim. Tell me if they stop, please.
Okay, Dad. Still dripping, Dad.
OK. Good news. I can see the tile that slipped.
Dad can see the tile that slipped, Carson.
Can you fix it?
Can you fix it, Dad?
I don't know. I'm just trying to reach it.
Still dripping, Dad.
OK. Just a minute.
This is taking ages. Have you fixed it now, Dad?
Yep. All done. The tile had just slipped down a bit. I put it back into place with a nail.
Look, Dad. The drips are stopping. Hooray!
Hey!
We fixed it, Carson.
Hooray!
Did I hear a cheer?
Yes, we fixed the roof, Mummy.
Hey, well done, Tim. Thank you for all of your help.
How's Little Moon Bunny, Mummy?
He's lovely and dry and cuddling with Topsy. Well done.
By bedtime, Little Moon Bunny and my bunk bed were dry, and everything was back to normal.
It's still raining outside.
Oh, I know, what a day. But you and Little Moon Bunny are warm and dry and cuddly.
But then... Mummy, Daddy, now there's rain coming through a bathroom ceiling.
Oh, no.
There must be another hole in our roof. I know what we all should do. We all need to move to a different house.
What did you say, Topsy?
Oh, nothing. And that's when Mummy said, would you like to move from this house to a different house?
Would you like to move from this house to a different house, Topsy?
No, I didn't really mean this about a different house, Mummy. No, this is our house.
Well, it's something to think about.
I love our house.
Good. So, let's have a proper look at this bathroom drip. Come on.
And that, said Dad, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. One of my cuddly toys was washed today. Can you remember which toy was washed? Was it a cuddly dog? Or was it a cuddly bunny? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is a cuddly bunny, called Little Moon Bunny. Great game! That was good fun. See you soon. We can play